updating the media about the current trends of COVID-19 in Africa. Africa's Center for Disease Control and Prevention says Omicron subvariant has been detected in about 16 countries across the continent. CDC says numbers have spiked in South Africa as well.
When we go deeper into the number of countries, we also see that the highest number of these new cases are actually seen from South Africa as a country, with 32,852 out of the 37,111 new cases during this period. The other countries that are contributing very modest numbers as well are Tunisia, Seychelles, Zambia, and Namibia, all within 400 to 500 new cases during that week.
As the number of COVID-19 cases in this period and the number of deaths on the African continent has started to drop, even though we are still in the middle of a pandemic, because you have seen and hear that some countries are facing the fourth wave and other even the fifth wave.
So far, COVID-19 has claimed over 200,000 lives in Africa since the outbreak of the pandemic. The Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention says as much as fatalities have declined significantly in some areas, it's still a big concern.
When we look at the same period for the number of new deaths, we are seeing a 24% average decrease on the continent for those 4 weeks. And when we look into the most populous African countries for the number of new deaths, we see that South Africa has a 27% average increase over the 4 weeks. Kenya, a 100% average decrease. Ethiopia, 86% average increase.
The CDC has also expressed its concern following reports that the Aspen COVID-19 vaccination plant has not received a single order and risks being shut down.
It is our responsibility, those of us who have this information, to share it as broadly as possible, because not just Aspen, but all the other manufacturing facilities we are developing on the continent, whether it is in Senegal, whether it is in Kenya, whether it is in Rwanda, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, all those will require their products to be bought. We have a market in Africa. Those who are purchasing for Africa must change the way in which they purchase these vaccines.
CDC further says it will continue to monitor the trends as COVID-19 is still here and urge people to get their jabs. Khayelihle Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.